Here's a couple of great divorce questions from our private Facebook group, the Illinois Divorce Support Network. Free to join, link in bio. I'm Rayford Palmer, managing partner of STG Divorce Law. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right over there, the logo. It's beautiful. Hold on. There we go. It's beautiful. It's unbelievable. Okay, anyway. This question is pretty cool. This one's a two-parter. How does division of marital debts typically work when one party makes a considerable amount more than the other? I typically have a gross income of 170K. My soon-to-be ex has a gross income of 20K. I'm curious, as my STBX, soon-to-be ex, will not agree to an 85-15 debt split, so the case is heading to trial. Well, I got news for them. No children are involved. Number two, can I ask the court to impute income from my soon-to-be ex? She's purposely been working part-time for half of her pay rate typically was prior to the divorce. I have the bank records that show my soon-to-be ex direct deposit net pay to support my claim. Okay, this person's in for a rude shock. That is your soon-to-be ex, because just because she makes a lot less has nothing to do with the asset and debt division. This is going to be a 50-50 division of assets and debt, most likely, unless you have a weird set of circumstances. So I'm very confident that your soon-to-be ex is in for a rude shock when the court just splits it down the middle. That's how it works. And then number two, when you ask about imputed income is the court simulating income for a person who's either unemployed or underemployed. So your claim is they should be working and they're not, or they're not making enough money in their current job. In your case, you're saying she's not making enough money, she could make more, and you want that number plugged into the equation to come up with alimony or child support, right? So there's a change in Illinois law that was just effective on January 1st that says you can't just say they should impute income, you need evidence of what the income should be. You've got some evidence, so you've got to bring in those documents and you'll have to get them admitted into evidence. There's rules to follow, but you can show to the judge, hey, her income was X before, or double what it is now, and now it's lower and there's really no explanation. You can also question your soon-to-be ex in cross-examination about why they're not doing that. Why aren't they working as much? What is the circumstances? What are the circumstances that cause them to make less income? So theoretically, you could have an expert witness testify, like a vocational expert, about their capabilities and what they should be earning. But I don't think that's probably not necessary in your case. So also keep in mind, you said making 20 grand, that means only 40. Now remember, in the maintenance calculation in Illinois, it's just 1/4 of their net income is subtracted from base, 33% of your net income to come up with base maintenance. So it's probably not going to make a giant difference, but still worth making the case. Would I hire an expert in your case? No. Thanks for listening. Like, follow, share for more.